everyone, hope you all are doing well. I'm here with a new vlog of Eid Day 1. So I was going Zeytinburnu to have some good pictures of Eid, and when I got out of my building I saw my dad, and I was surprised to see him because he was out of country and he surprised us by coming on Eid. So my father stopped the car at a pizza shop for a little treat. Sulu, I'm still waiting and waiting. So our pizza is here and it was so delicious. I liked it very much. This was our destination and the weather was so good that day because usually the weather is too hot from the past week. Me and my dad was waiting for our turn to have swing auntie watching other children who are playing and swinging. Here I was opening my bag to see how much Eidi I got, and suddenly I remembered no one gave me Eidi Huo. Sulema give you some Eidi, ha ha ha. Here was soon noise, so my father got to pick a call. Now I'm going to take him back to play with him. I hand over my bag to my mom and played hide and seek with my daddy here. Finally, now many people are going back to their houses and all the rush became less, and after a long wait I got a chance to have this jumping jar. Upset because daddy said we can go to a Nozo park because there was so rush, but I want to spend more time here. So he was trying to agree me. He gave me some flowers and promised to buy me ice cream, so I became happy and updated my upset mode, ha 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 ha. Here we came to another park, and this was much better than Zeytinburnu. A lot of birds, and my love for pigeons is endless. I did some trilling with my picture partner. Here my shoe steps was opened, so Daddy was helping me wear them in right way. Was giving food to those pigeons in my imagination, ha ha ha. I was afraid, but I love them, so I was slowly getting forward to them, and suddenly a boy came and let them flew away from me. Go close to them, so I said to this boy to flew these birds away, and all birds flown away. So after a long playtime now I'm having a photo shoot time, and thousands of my pictures will be clicked and 10 of them will be posted on Instagram, huh? So after spending a day out now, we are going back home. On the way we saw 212 Mall. We didn't want to buy anything, but women's cannot come out of mall before buying anything, ha ha ha. So these was my day 1 videos and pictures. Hope you like this vlog. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated about my upcoming vlogs. See you in next vlog. Bye bye.